talk? Just coming to look at my plants. Look at this zucchini. Look at that.
Can we eat it?
Not yet, it's gotta grow more. All these plants are like getting limp. Well, that one's not too bad. It's so hot and the moisture isn't staying. I gotta put more. Oops.
Hold it?
No. I gotta put more wood chips on it. Hey, look at the cucumbers. Don't do that. Look, there's lots of cucumbers growing on this.
I'm right here to see
Don't
the
yell in my ear. Bruh.
Bruh.
This is just a test. All right. How's this?
Good.
Ooh, it looks a little bit mappy.
Dizzy.
I like that you can change it so it's not as wide, so you don't have the ultra wide. Shut up, kid!
That's funny. Hello, guys.
Just getting ready to go into mass, and like the wildfire smoke is like next level. It just arrived in like the last 2 hours. Like I'm down in like deep southwestern Ontario, but the wildfire smoke's coming from northern Ontario. The wildfires in like Thunder Bay, but like it smells so bad, and like the visibility is just getting poorer by the minute. I mean, you can kind of see it. Everything is just kind of like hazy. We have like really high air quality readings this morning. Oh, it stinks so bad out here. And just wanted to come look at the sun. Just barely see it. You can see some of the smoke, haze. We have like super high readings. They're telling us not to be outside. I'm not wearing this properly, but I just wanted to come out for a minute. But yeah, I have an N95. You have to wear an N95 respirator. I can like smell it through this thing. I just worry about all those people living up in northern Ontario where the fires are. Like, it's kind of nuts. Anyway, I'm going back in the house. Got a new furnace filter for the central air, rated pretty high, so that should help
And
with
it got smoke.
so the smoke doesn't come in the central air system. And
It stinks.
got a N95 mask. I need to look for a kid one though, right? One that'll fit your face. It's funny because like you can see the blue sky and like the smoke on the lower level, and the sun is out, but it's still pretty smoky. We're gonna just go over and check Walmart over there, see if they have any masks for kids.
See later.
No joke, I just like went into Walmart and there's smoke inside the store. It's like pulling air through their air conditioning system. Walmart. And like you can see the haze in the sky. It's kind of not the sky, but in the store. Like it's just nuts, like how bad it is. I was like, why am I coughing so much? And then I'm like looking around, and I could see this like haze right in like the air, like throughout the store. Like you would think that they'd be able to put like some sort of recirculating setting or something, but I guess not. finally the smoke is gone. It's Saturday right now, and we are just going to the playground. It is very humid though, however. Very humid. We're supposed to get really bad thunderstorms this afternoon, but I'll get your flower. But it's nice to finally get out with the smoke being gone. For the moment, smoke might come back, but yeah, we're just out at a playground right now.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel.
We're having fun, right?
Yeah, we're having lots of fun where we go to the playground. Daddy, Mom, and Daddy and everybody's at church because we're here.
That's right.
Yeah.
What, Lovey? The playground's too hot?
Yeah.
Ding, ding, ding.
Your turn.
Like, you mean the slide?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that is pretty hot. That is pretty hot. Well, it is a hot day. For sure.
Can you help me slide the pole? That purple?
Hmm?
That purple?
No, that's just a weld.
Yeah.
Giddy up.
Yeah.
Giddy up, cowboy. I'm a cowboy, baby. These beautiful pine trees. Oh, there's like a little toy airplane and stuck in one of them. Oh, you can't even see. Hello. You going to the swings? That's probably a good idea, bud.
This is not so bad here.
No, it's nice and shaded. Beautiful.
Can you lift me up and you can push me?
Yep. Ready?
I want to go fast.
Okay. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can go on too.
Yeah, I suppose I could go on one.
Can I have another push or will I go a little bit
You want
fast?
another push?
A little bit fast.
Is that good?
Yeah.
All right.
Go back.
I'm just looking at the forest for a second. Well, it's not really a forest, but it's lovely to have all these trees. So I think maybe, unless something else happens today, that'll be it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it.
And see you later.
See you on the next one.